A clever makeover means this garage can do double duty.
Touchdown!
The garage went from cluttered to clean, kinda awful to uber organized, dark and dreary to light and bright, all thanks to some simple changes. Good planning is the foundation of this makeover by creating specific zones, one for recreation, one for gardening, and one for power equipment and tools. The clutter's been cleared. A mix of adaptable, adjustable storage systems from Lowe's gives the homeowner lots of options for putting everything in its place. With organization under control, the addition of these smart DIY doors adds another layer of functionality. By simply sliding the doors into different positions, you can transition the space between hard-working traditional garage and laid-back entertaining space. With the doors here, you have easy access to all your tools and equipment. By sliding the doors to this position, you conceal the tools and reveal this area perfect for playing games or projecting the big game. Another cool idea is this collapsible cart. It can take center stage for work or play, then tuck away under the counter. The dual nature of the space makes it the perfect solution for homes without extra space to entertain. For more inspiration, go to lowescreativeideas.com.